Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm going right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. However, I just want to say to the shop that we bought these from, I love this. Anyway, I know you lot couldn't see that, but to use that, no, thank you. And so, what am I doing? Well, we're about to unbox. I don't actually know what these are because we unboxed another pair of shoes, which we thought was something else. So this could be entirely something that I'm not sure about. You all know what it is because you've seen the title, but I am going to speed up about now. Okay, I know what they are now. Look, you all know what they are. You already knew what they are, but they're an orange label. So we're going to go back over here. What have we got? So we have got a Nike SB Dunk High Pro ISO. So this is the orange label, and they are midnight navy black. They're also known as Obsidian. They are a UK 10.5. That makes them a US 11.5. They are a women's 13, and the code, everyone, is CI2692401. They are the orange label midnight navy. I would say Obsidian, but let's go back to the middle camera, SJ. So, I love me as an orange label. I do. Because everyone, the materials are usually amazing. Now, the other thing as well is I don't actually have that many orange label highs. I got some mids, I got some lows, not many highs. And in fact, on this channel, we do talk a lot about sneakers. We talk a lot about Nike SB Dunks. We also talk a lot to the fact that Nike doesn't really love the Dunk High that much. Well, certainly this year. And yet these already I can see. Right, first of all, let's go to that camera, SJ, because I just want to show people just how freaking lovely these are. Oh, my word. Right, tell me if I'm in the right place. Am I in the right place? And look at this. The magic. Ooh, I'm using magic. The shoe is hovering in the air. It is hovering. So what we've got here is like this midnight navy. I'm going to call it obsidian blue. We've got as well a black leather swoosh. We've also got a white midsole, and we're finished off with a gum sole. Now the thing that makes these orange label shoes always fabulous. Who says fabulous? Amazing, awesome, fire, all of those words, is the quality of the leather. Now, I'm going to go over to another camera because I find it easier over here. So let's have a look there. Now just have a look first of all. There you go. You get the top profile, that top down profile. Oh, SJ, can we see this? Can I come in? Yeah. Now look, can you see the changing shadow? If I go here, it doesn't really show, but this is super, super soft. It's a lovely blue as well. Oh my word, that is a really nice blue. Now there was dunk lows in this, and I think there was a blazer as well, wasn't there, SJ? Now I didn't go for the lows, but oh, they're so good. And the thing I love about these orange labels is this, I said this so many times, I've said it so many times, but the materials are just super, super nice. Now let's loosen this off because I want to show you just how nice this hit of orange on the tongue tab. Sorry, SJ's flicking cameras because she thought I was going to talk to this other one. That's fine. I do that a lot. She's got kind of, because I'm doing this live. We record these live, we do. So we're never quite 100% certain quite how they're going to go. But just have a look. Have a look. Right, we're going to come in. SJ, can you focus on that? Is it possible? There you go. So you've got that orange aglet there. And then they've got actually the right laces. Like, boom. Look at that. Very, very nice. But what I love as well is on the tongue, have a look at the tongue. And I know it's just a Dunk High. If we go in here, just that hit of orange is so nice. It's so nice. Now I'm just going to flash there so you can just see the inner of the tongue there. Let me have a quick look. Does it say? So yeah, it says the support your local. And then the usual Nike and the swoosh name, blah, 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 blah. Let's have a look on the inside, on the inner sole. So I'm just going to take the paper out, everyone. We're going to take that paper out. Here we go. Oh my word. Oh my word. So you can see it's a zoom heel unit, but unlike the original orange labels, that where it's got the orange label there. That's not stitched. It's not stitched at all. It's a bit dark, SJ. We'll just show on the other camera, just so we can see. There. So hold it upside down. Hold it upside. Oh, but that's some crazy kind of contortion. But like on the originals, it was stitched in. Ooh, oh my word, I can't do that. Was doing a session this morning and my arms are absolutely brutalized from holding the body up. It's ridiculous. So here we go. Here we go. So if you haven't subscribed, everyone, and you want to, it's just down there somewhere. And we do these sneaker unboxings quite regularly. Yes, we do. It's going all silly today. Now, we haven't looked at the alternate laces. They look like they're black to me, but let's have a look. SJ, I think they're there to... In fact, that's not really working. You can't really see. Let's have a look over here. There, you can see that better. So you can see that's much better there. Now, that obviously matches the swoosh. I don't think I'm going to swap them out. Like, I like a contrasting lace. Now, you know what would look amazing in these? An orange lace. An orange lace would look banging. And you know, we have some people in our community who pointed me in the direction of websites for laces that match these SB laces. So I think I might actually do that for once, just to test, and maybe we'll sort of go through that experience online and create a video for you all. What do you think? So did you manage to pick up any of these? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't come along on Sundays, it is Sneaker Streaming Sundays. And we do that every Sunday. And that's at about 8 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. And we talk sneakers, SBs, of course. We show you what we've put through the rotation that week. We have a look at Instagram, all the things that we spotted that week. And we have a look at the news. And we have a chat with you. And generally it lasts an hour or so. So come along and join us, because there's a bunch of friendly people who come every week without fail. And I think we're on episode 159. Could be 160, I'm not sure, but it's close. It's close to that. We might even do a special, you know. So if you're watching this after the Christmas special, go and watch the Christmas special, which will probably be over here. And if you should go and have a look at some of those videos. You know what? I should probably talk a little bit slower, because these videos are usually a little bit chill. But yeah, I just want to thank you all for doing what you do for us, liking, watching, all of that stuff, engaging with us on Instagram and all of those great things, because it does make it incredibly more fun. But we would keep doing this. We did this originally when there was nobody watching. So thank you to everybody. And what do you all think? Did you get any of these? Because I was talking to one of our guys, Jay Dolan, and he hit out on five dunks this week. He wasn't a happy chap. But like, look, we're just going to spin round, because it is a thing of ultimate amazingness. But why don't we just have a look over here, SJ, one more time. One more time. Whoa, look how close I was. And it is... You know what I need? I need a hovering magnetic floating-y thing so that I can do that. But yeah, it is so nice. And we're out of here.